Welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today, we're diving into a fresh and detailed look at the ongoing transformation of the Spotify Camp Nou, where every corner of this massive project is evolving at an incredible pace. As the renovation moves forward, the entire stadium feels like a living machine, the intensity of activity happening across multiple levels. New steel beams are being positioned with precision. Moving toward the north side of the stadium, the transformation becomes even more obvious. Fresh concrete pours are solidifying the new tiers, giving shape to what will soon be one of the signature grandstands of the new Camp Nou. Workers are preparing formwork, adjusting measurements, and ensuring that every detail matches the architectural plans. It's a reminder of how much precision is required to rebuild a structure of this scale. Each layer, each connection, and each alignment matters, because this isn't just any building, it's a global football landmark. As we continue, we get a clear view of the upper sections where new platforms are being locked into place. These elevated areas will eventually host seats, walkways, and viewing points for thousands of fans. For now, they stand as skeletal frameworks, filled with temporary supports, scaffolding, and work zones. But even in this incomplete form, you can start to imagine how the final design will look once everything comes together. Shifting our attention to the perimeter, facade installation work is slowly becoming more visible. Panels are being arranged, tested, and secured as engineers make sure they align perfectly with the stadium's curved geometry. This exterior will eventually define the identity of the new Camp Nou, combining aesthetics with energy-efficient technology. Even though it's early in the process, the initial pieces already hint at a modern and elegant design that will shine once completed. Inside the stadium, the complexity increases. Electrical systems, cable networks, ventilation ducts, and structural reinforcements are all being prepared. This won't just be a beautiful stadium, it will be a smart one. Walking through the interior corridors, you can see teams working on different layers of the build simultaneously. Some are operating welding equipment, others are setting up metal frames, and others are checking levels and measurements with laser tools. It's a multi-layered effort happening all at once, with every group contributing to a different part of the future stadium's functionality. As the day progresses, we capture more signs of rapid advancement. The pace is relentless, and the dedication from every worker is clear. Everyone here understands the importance of this project. They're not just building a structure, they're rebuilding history, a place where countless unforgettable moments have taken place and where many more will be created. The atmosphere around the stadium is a mix of ambition and momentum. Each visit reveals changes that were not there the day before. New beams installed, new slabs completed, new sections reinforced. It's a reminder that even a project of this massive scale can advance quickly when teams are coordinated and the vision is clear. And that's the journey we'll keep sharing with you here on Megaverse Builds. Every milestone, every upgrade, and every detail of this incredible renovation will be covered as the Spotify Camp Nou moves closer to its future form. The transformation is getting more exciting with each passing day, and every visit brings something new to uncover. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep following this massive transformation step by step, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Megaverse Builds, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.